JLM, lubricants for today's cars. Diesel DPF, cleaning kit instruction video. The kit contains the following items. Spray gun, air pressure, with an automatic pressure reducer, 5 bar. Sprayer tank, 1 litre, especially coated inside for use of JLM DPF cleaner and flush fluids. Transparent hose, 1.5 metre, with conical nozzle for easy access. 1 spare conical nozzle. JLM Diesel DPF probe. JLM Diesel DPF cleaning fluid, 500 millilitres, step 1 of 2. JLM Diesel DPF flush fluid, 1.5 litre, step 2 of 2. Step 1. JLM Diesel DPF cleaning fluid, 500 millilitre. The cleaning fluid is corrosive, therefore take the necessary precautions and use gloves and safety goggles throughout the full duration of the DPF cleaning process. Make sure the engine has reached its normal operating temperature and turn it off. Fill the sprayer tank with Step 1 JLM Diesel DPF cleaning fluid and connect the sprayer to an air compressor. The pressure reducer connected to the gun will automatically reduce the pressure to 5 bar. Connect the conical nozzle to the soft hose of the front DPF pressure sensor. In many cases, this is the easiest access option, which gives good results with minimal effort. Spray the cleaning fluid into the front pressure hose of the DPF for about 1 minute and let it settle for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the cleaning fluid is finished, run the engine for 2 to 3 minutes at 2000 to 3000 RPM. Make sure a collector is placed under the exhaust pipe, as foam may come out. Important note: always add the cleaning fluid gradually. Prevent it from flowing back out of pressure sensor. In some instances, the DPF may not be located on the bottom of the car, or could be located closely to the turbo and/or exhaust manifold. In such cases, please take extra care that the cleaning fluid is not spilled on heated surfaces. If DPF front pressure sensor hose is difficult to access, you may refrain from using this cleaning procedure. Step 2. JLM Diesel DPF flush fluid, 1.5 litre. Fill the empty sprayer tank with Step 2 JLM Diesel DPF flush fluid. Start the engine. Connect the conical nozzle to the front pressure hose of the DPF. Make sure a collector is placed under the exhaust pipe, as foam may come out. Gradually spray all of the flush fluid through the DPF while keeping the engine running at 2000 to 2500 RPM. Important: be sure to use all the 1.5 litre JLM Diesel DPF flush fluid. Using less flush fluid may cause undesired effects. After flushing, dry the sensor hose thoroughly and carefully to prevent incorrect readings from the computer. Start a regeneration cycle via the onboard computer following the car manufacturer's guidelines. Alternatively, drive the car around for 20 minutes to initiate a regeneration cycle. After having used the two fluids, be sure to clean the JLM DPF toolkit right away by rinsing it with water. Any collected foam from the cleaning procedure should be disposed like any other chemical cleaner according to the local workshop guidelines. Step 3. Highly recommended treatment. Prevent and keep clean. Advise your customer to add JLM Diesel particulate filter cleaner on a regular basis for vehicles that often have trouble with DPF regenerations. Using regularly, JLM Diesel particulate filter cleaner will prevent repeated expensive DPF repair bills at the workshop. The JLM valve saver kit and additives are available through different outlets. Visit our website for availability or an installer in your area for the #1 in lubricants, jlmlubricants.com.